Blimey. We have a lot of stuff on the floor, mate.
A lot of sauce on the floor, mate.
What's all this for?
The old green 36 missile. The time has come. We thought we'd get cracking on the squad drifter. We got all the bits now, so we just got to start piecing things together. We got subframe, trailing arms, new brakes, all sandblasted and powder coated. Bushes to go with it, brake disc, pads, water pump, bearings, donut bush, centre bearing, hydro.
Plethora of parts there.
It's a plethora, isn't it?
What are we missing?
We're missing brake rebuild kit and
some more discs.
Some more discs and some more pads.
It's about to get Cindy.
Looks pretty sweet.
We need to say thank you to Febby.
Yeah, Febby hooked us up with some bits and bobs.
Febby, we've got some Blue Point over there as well. Very kind people.
Very nice.
Over in England/Germany.
It was nice to get in touch with them and have them hook us up for a few bits that we really needed because we're broke. I think first step is pop some of these lovely polys in.
We've got some things here. There's some bushes and some arms and some arms and some bushes.
We did some stuff here, and we also did some stuff here, and then another thing over here. Don't know if you can tell based on how it looked previously. We have one minor issue, which was one of the bearings. It's early in the morning, and we're all very tired and dishevelled, and we messed up basically.
Yep, incorrect use of equipment.
Precisely.
What's left to do?
Probably the brakes, I reckon. Yeah, once we've done the brakes, we'll start putting some stuff on, really, which will make me even more happier than I am now.
Woo!
So that's all the calipers built, ready to go on the car. We have 6 because we're going to be running dual calipers on the back. We've got a diff as well, but it's already welded, so we don't need to worry about that. Part in the air, and I think we can get cracking on the underside. Shaka bra! It's car saving! Last year we were meant to do this, get this whole thing built.
Don't touch my hand, man.
We got all the bits basically, and we decided that we're going to smash it out in about 3 days.
It's good to be working on the E36. This has been a long time coming.
Yeah.
And I can't wait to smash it into a wall. It's more broken than it was when we left it.
We're avoiding fixing all the things like rust and stuff. We're just going straight to building it. We're running into a wall, innit?
Welded diff, hydro. It doesn't actually drive. It doesn't matter what it looks like.
So, alright.
Nice, man.
Lots of fettling.
Start snapping bolts, mate.
Face of despair already.
Look at this.
6 bolts in. That's blessed.
Just disconnected all the brakes, loosened up the subframe, taken off the shocks, so we're ready to drop the rear end. Drop it like it's hot. Oh. Alright, yeah, gonna drop the rear end on the floor.
Here, watching the boys eat and eat pizza.
Smoky. Hey presto, we weld this in, right?
Wanna feel like that's my wanna show you, wanna let you loose inside my brain.
You told me to do it.
The rust has gone mouldy.
One of us is holding it, one of us is locked on. We got someone. Can we put the ghost up the
Everyone else has gone home. We've got beautiful grog here.
You know that spanner?
I don't know what we're doing.
Where'd you keep it? Oh, right.
Where the gun fails, eh? Biceps.
This has taken way longer than anticipated. You're probably bored to death. You've probably finished your poo. You're probably already fallen asleep.
Keep an eye on the channel and follow us for the continuation of the build, and until next time, see ya.
That's all, folks. That's all, folks.